Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can integrate a Stripe account with the CommunityHQ platform. Okay, so here into the integration tab, you will see our communities that we already have. In this case, I have two different communities, digital growth community as well as the community SQ official. Okay, so this one I'm going to integrate with Stripe. Okay, so here you can see we have the option to put our Stripe test mode keys as well as the Stripe live mode keys. Okay, so you need to use either one, or if you want to test your product, then you need to put both of them. Okay, so let me go back to the Stripe account. Here I'm in the test mode of my Stripe account, and from here we need to go to the developer. Okay, from the left navigation very bottom you will see the developers option, and then hit over to the API keys section. And as I am on the test mode, okay, so it shows me the publishable key as well as the secret key. But if you're in the live mode, then you may need to create your Stripe secret keys. Okay, so do it and then copy the publishable key, go back to CommunityHQ and then put your publishable key, and then click the secret key, copy it, go back and then put it here. Okay, so once you are done with all of your keys, okay, then you need to choose the mode. Okay, so it can be the test mode or live mode based on your use case. Okay, so if you want to check your product, okay, before you launch on the community, then you can test it. Okay, so in this case I'm going to select the test mode and then click save. It will show the success message like this. Okay, so once you see this, that means you are good to go. Your Stripe integration is already completed. Okay, so that's it for this video. Have a nice day.